Hey creative friends! I'm so happy to share this easy and quick tutorial on creating 100 bookmarks from scrap watercolor paper. These are the scraps from many watercolor projects. They're all shapes and sizes and actually types here. I'm also using leftover ribbon and paint from other projects as well. I enjoy making bookmarks in bulk so I can give them away in my booth at markets. I like to think it helps my space feel warm and welcoming. These simple flowers are simply teardrops. I leave some white spaces in each petal to give a little reflection, and I love that the petals are not precise and perfect. It gives them lots of character. A simple stem and leaf are added by painting a narrow line and adding a point press point leaf. I start with the tip of my brush and then press down and bring back up to a tip. This is my favorite leaf to paint. I love how the paint glides on the paper. Adding a little glossy dot at the tip of my flower completes the look. When I'm doing bulk projects like this, I like to do one step at a time and let everything dry before I move on to the next step. So you can see here I've lined all of my flowers up, and then I'll go back after they dry and I'll do all of the stems and petals in one go. 100 hole punches. If I haven't mentioned it before, I love repetitive tasks sometimes, so I found hole punching very satisfying. Finally, I add a little satin ribbon to each bookmark. I love how these are all different lengths and widths. My booth visitors can choose their favorite, and that makes me so happy. I'm excited to have these ready for our market this weekend. I hope you'll make a batch to give away to your friends, or to have in your booth, or to give to your book club friends. They would also make great party or wedding favors. Be sure to check out my watercolor playlist for more tutorials.